Hey guys, what's up? Today we have bought a new tripod here. So we are going to unbox it and review it. Let's go. So let's open it here. Okay, at first we'll show our box. Here is 3366 tripod. Here is its box. Here you can see it is all Chinese. So let's now open it here. If we open it, at first we have a mobile holder here. Here you can see the mobile holder. It is good quality one. You can place your mobile here to shoot videos. Then here is our tripod. So here is our nice black bag. So if we open it, here you can see our tripod. Here is our tripod, you can see it black. So at first we have to open its hooks. So if we open it, so here we have opened some part, then again open it, then again we have to open it here. So here you can see the holder where it can move nicely. So then we have to again open this and we have to close it. Make sure that after opening this you have just closed it, or else your camera may fall down or mobile may fall down. So here we are opening and closing it. So now if we place it here you can see. So here we can carry a long or any heavy material so that your tripod can stable more and doesn't fall down. Okay, in this hook you can see it. So now, so here you can see it is a steel, but cheap quality steel, and many things like this are plastic built. Then here you can grip it. Here is your port. Here you can grip this tripod like this way. It is nice grip. Then you have to, I am showing you the gear which you can use by for up down. So here you can see a handle. By after removing this slightly, then up down, here you can see. Then we have to close it and we can move, and then we have to close that. Then after opening that, to move from left to right, we have to open that and we can move from left to right. Here this way. Then we have to just close it. So after removing that, we can go right, left and up down. So if you want to move it upper side, here you can this way move upper side. You have to just this way, this ball head moves nicely, so by this way you can move it to the upper side. So it is about 4.5 feet. So you can see it, we have moved it upper part. Here you can lose it or close it, then you have to move it upper part. After moving it upper part, you have to just tight it so that it doesn't fall down. So now I am showing you the upper side. So here you can see, here it is here you can insert any mobile here and mobile or camera here by using this port. So here you can just place the mobile holder and move this. Then you can just place it here. so it is not a good quality one. So here it is much taking time to go inside. Come on. So here we just inserted it, and now you can use any mobile. Here you can see the green part. Zoom code. By this, using this green part, we may know that it is niche, upper side or lower side. And here is a portion where after losing this we can make it anywhere about 60 degree. So it cost us about 1000 taka. So now I'm telling its disadvantages. So it is very much lightweight that you can carry any camera here. You have to carry only mobile. I will suggest it for the beginner YouTubers who use mobile for shooting their videos. They can use their mobile here and shoot this. I will not suggest any camera for this. If you use camera, then your camera may fall down and it is much shaky, and it is plastic build and low quality material. So it may broke down. It is not good quality as well, I said it, and it is for only your mobile. Then you should use a branded tripod for your mobile, not camera, and you can use fluid tripod there. And the biggest disadvantage is if you screw it loose or tightly here, your screw may come down. 2 times my screw came down from this tripod. It was my mistake to buy this. So many people use many type of tripod for their YouTubing videos. So it is better than the white tripod. You may have seen the white tripod, and it is black and better than the white tripod. And many use Gorilla Pod or Octopus Pod for their YouTubing or vlogging. So you can use the Octopus Pod. Octopus Pod is better than the Gorilla Pod for your YouTubing videos. So never buy any this type of bullshit for your YouTubing videos. It may harm your camera. You may have purchased your camera for 30,000 40,000 taka, and your tripod is only about 1500 1000 500 800 700. So that will not benefit you. So you should buy a branded tripod, fluid tripod. There are many tripods in Amazon. You can visit there. So that's all. Today is my review about this tripod. So thanks for watching. Hope you would like this video and subscribe our channel. Bye. See you in our next video.